Add your video into the timeline. Add blue sample color and change the blending mode to overlay. Then export the video. Add green sample color and do the same. Add red sample color and do the same. Now import your videos. Proceed by adding your videos in the following order. Change the blending mode of the videos to screen. Now change the scale of the red video to 1 or 2. Change the scale of the blue video to 1 or 3. Add the main video in the upper track. Go to Effects tab and add the square blur effect. Adjust the blur size to 10 and change the blending mode to screen. Export the video. Delete everything in the timeline. Import the video. Add your video into the timeline. Right click, go to edit properties, then activate lens correction and make the following adjustments. Click the render icon.
Eso es lo que a ti te entiende.